The last thing we would like to conclude with is the fact that as you go through and learn through Python and Jupyter, there might be some avenues that you might want to look into in terms of developing your skills out with other types of tutorials. Listed on this page are a number of different tutorials that we've gone to look through and sort of seen that provide some additional sort of resources, again, for learning Python specifically. Also, just as any other place in terms of when it comes to development of code, Google's your best friend when it comes to like if you run into an error or an issue or you just have a general question. Now, typically, if we see some sort of response from a website called Stack Overflow, it's typically, we kind of list it as a trusted site. Basically, this means that if you're getting responses from that, more than likely you're going to be finding sort of one of the better sort of conclusions. It's a well-developed website and a well-developed resource for people to use to develop their programming skills in that regards. And again, you're going to utilize that specifically if you're looking for a question that you might have. You run into a specific error or you want to know how to do something specifically in Python. Again, that's sort of a great resource to utilize. We'd like to thank everybody for checking this out, and if you'd like to, check out the rest of the videos available on here, and we'll have more workshops moving forward as well. Thank you.